Let's get a little more mileage out of this thing. Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Henry. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. That said, let's get into it. Without a doubt, NEVE consoles and the Rupert Neve name is associated with thousands of hit recordings. The warmth and width that you get from a NEVE console is virtually unparalleled. Just like a NEVE console, the WA73-EQ can be fed with line level signals, giving you the ability to fatten thin sounding audio tracks or software-based instruments. Today, I'm going to show you how to use your WA73-EQ with line level sources. To start, you need an audio interface with at least 4 dedicated outputs, balanced cables, and a good solid grasp on routing signal in and out of your DAW. Let's get started. First, create a new stereo or 2 mono audio tracks with its input set to 1 and 2, and the output set to 1 and 2. Outputs 1 and 2 are most likely connected to your monitors. Second, set the output of the track you are processing through the WA73-EQ to outputs 3 and 4. Third, feed the outputs of 3 and 4 to the WA73-EQ line inputs. If you have a WA273-EQ, you'll only have to make 1 pass. If you only have a single channel unit, you'll have to make 2 passes, 1 for the left channel and 1 for the right channel. Be sure and stay tuned because I'm going to let you hear what audio sounds like as it was processed through the WA73-EQ. 4. The output of the WA73-EQ should feed the inputs 1 and 2 of the interface. Final steps: engage the line button on the front panel, adjust the WA73-EQ input and output levels to avoid clipping in Pro Tools, add EQ to taste, and compression via the insert if you have a compressor, engage the record function in Pro Tools, and you're done. The following is a dance track I was working on, which was processed by the WA73-EQ. The WA73-EQ is without question a double-edged sword. With 1 unit, you are able to record or tweak pre-recorded tracks and software-based instruments. In the comments below, tell me how you are employing hybrid mixing techniques in your project studio. That's all for now. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and please share it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and don't forget to say hello to the family from me.